Now Assist for Creator offers a variety of generative AI capabilities powered by the Now LLM to radically improve the productivity of experienced developers and lower the barrier of entry for individuals just starting to leverage ServiceNow for intelligent automation and low-code app development. Now Assist Flow Generation accelerates workflow development by transforming plain text into low-code automation. Using a simple prompt, anyone can get a jump start building high-impact automation, ultimately improving time to value for organizations. This starting point can then be customized or enhanced using low code. As you develop workflows, whether you've started with flow generation or from scratch, Now Assist recommendations will be at your side. Whether it's suggesting the perfect complement to a conditional logic check or offering relevant actions pertaining to your use case, Now Assist recommendations will keep your automation design flowing. Should you find yourself with an opportunity to supercharge your workflow with generative AI, you can now take advantage of the generative AI controller within Flow Designer and embed summarization, sentiment analysis, content creation, and more with just a few clicks. If you're interested in getting a bit more technical, we've got you covered with Now Assist Code Generation. You don't have to worry about mastering JavaScript or remembering ServiceNow-specific syntax off the top of your head to leverage powerful, high-quality code. You'll be able to go directly from comment to code and also benefit from sophisticated autocomplete capabilities. Now Assist Code Generation is available in a variety of places, allowing you to benefit from this Gen AI assistance whether you're writing a business rule or developing a custom integration, ensuring you always have the power of our intelligent platform right at your fingertips. So whether you're a seasoned ServiceNow dev or just getting started with your first function, you'll now have a powerful new way to get the most out of the ServiceNow platform.